Here in Dallas, Texas today, we are having a winter storm. Right now it is icing over, not really snow, but it is getting white on the ground. So I had to bring my plants in the previous day to keep them alive. It got really cold a couple weeks ago, and I did lose quite a few plants, especially tomatoes, some bell peppers, and some of my herbs. So I'm being safe than sorry this time. Now this looks like real snow falling. I am still using the greenhouse. I have quite a few plants still in the greenhouse, maybe 20 or so. I have it double covered with the plastic, clamped down securely, nice and tight, and I also have old blankets over that just to see how many plants will actually survive this. The plants in the front yard, we're gonna see how well they survive this winter storm. It's mostly strawberries and some winter hardy herbs that should survive.